The best serrated bread knife for maximum cutting performance. A good serrated bread knife is a multitasking workhorse in the kitchen, following closely on the heels of the chef's knife. It is the knife that you will keep within reach for slicing bread, leveling delicate cakes, cutting pastries to desired sizes, tackling a waxy winter squash, and slicing evenly through a perfectly ripe tomato. Out of all the cooking utensils, knives tend to take a beating, and nothing is more frustrating than a dull knife. We tested the best knife sharpeners around to keep your kitchen workhorse in sharp shape. We also cover chef's knives, santoku knives, nakiri knives, and knife sets, so you can find the right blade for the job. Number 1. Best overall, Mercer Culinary Millennia Wide Wavy Edge Bread Knife. Made from high-carbon, stain-free Japanese steel, this bread knife boasts a comfortable handle, a curved edge, pointy tines, and a generous 10.5-inch blade. The blade is slightly wider at the heel and tapers toward the tip, which makes it feel strong in your hands, and the knife slices through crusty breads and soft cakes with equal ease and precision. This is an NSF-certified knife, which means it is also suitable for use in commercial kitchens and is very easy to clean. The handle has slip-resistant textured finger points and a protective finger guard. It's a budget-friendly knife that performs well. Built to last, ergonomic handle with textured finger points offers a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. This item length is 10 inches and weight 4.8 ounces. High-carbon steel material made in polypropylene. Number 2. Best multi-purpose, Victorinox Swiss Army 10.25-inch bread knife. Versatility is one of the key qualities of a good kitchen tool, and the Victorinox totally delivers on this aspect. The thin blade, the curved edge, and the sharp tines can handle anything you throw them. Although it is categorized as a bread knife, it makes quick work of other kitchen jobs, such as slicing meat, cutting razor-thin tomato slices, and dividing a sandwich that's bursting at its seams. No judgment on the sandwich. The length and thinness of the blade also make it a good pastry knife. From the same company that makes Swiss Army knives comes the serrated bread knife with a proprietary Victorinox material handle to provide a secure non-slip grip and easy handling. This knife cuts clean without cutting a deep hole in your pocket. Item length is 10.2 inches and weight 4.08 ounces. Made by stainless steel material and polypropylene copolymer. Number 3. Best design, Shun Classic 9-inch bread knife. Shun is well known for making quality knives, and this one is no exception. With a variegated look that resembles a Damascus-style blade, this knife is as beautiful as it is functional. This classic 9-inch bread knife has a wide serrated edge, making it glide through crusty breads and soft rolls with equal ease. The cutting action is smooth and produces even slices, and the ergonomically designed packawood handle has a D shape, which allows for a comfortable hold. It is a bit pricey, but Shun knives have a reputation for retaining their sharp edges for a long time. Shun also hones your serrated knife for free, provided you buy from one of its authorized dealers. You pay for shipping and handling, send in the knives, and the experts hone them for you. Length 9 inches. Material VG Max steel, packawood. Weight 10.2 ounces. Number 4. Best for lefties, Mercer Culinary bread knife 10-inch. A bread knife is serrated on one side for a reason, to help make straight cuts of food and to control the cut. Normally, the serration is on the right side, which makes for an awkward angle for left-handed people. There are, however, a few knives designed specifically for the left-handed, and the Mercer Culinary 10-inch bread knife is one of them. This knife is made with the same high-carbon, stain-free Japanese steel as the Mercer Culinary Millennia knife. The handle is comfortable with textured finger points for slip resistance and safety. If you regularly need to slice bread and use a serrated knife for other tasks in the kitchen, you will love this knife. Item length 10 inches. Material high-carbon steel, santoku and polypropylene. Weight 6.4 ounces. Number 5. Best with sheath, DALSTRONG bread knife 9-inch. The trendiest looking knife on the block, this DALSTRONG bread knife offers a lot more than style. It's a knife of substance, sharp and strong. Crafted from a single piece of steel, the blade is full tang with a good balance. The knife features a taper design for flexibility, which allows it to cut through multiple types of foods with less resistance. The fiber resin handle is resistant to heat, cold, and moisture, and it's ergonomically designed. This knife can be used in a professional kitchen as it is NSF certified, and it comes with a DALSTRONG sheath. Overall, it's a worthy contender for a mid-range bread knife. This item is length 9 inches. Material: steel, titanium nitride coating, resin. Weight: 8 ounces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.